Milky Way galaxies and seashells. Like if you look at a snail, those are all golden ratio spirals. So that's all I'm doing is taking her number and divide it by 1.618033987. I'm going to do this repeatedly. And when I do it once, that is the exact 99.999% sidereal orbit for Earth, meaning it takes that many days to go around the sun. I was so stunned when I saw this. I said, my wife is 1 to the golden ratio from Earth, which means that's where heaven is, because nobody knows where Jesus went when the 11 apostles saw him on his ascension day, 39 or 40 days after Easter, going up into the sky. Like, I was a skydiver, and I trained at Edwards Air Force Base for high altitude skydiving. So a human body cannot breathe above 15,000 feet. In fact, you can't breathe much 15,000 feet. So Jesus is physical. He's going, where is he going? And where can you breathe? Like, nobody even asked this question.
Yeah.
So this number is so stunning. I'm going to do it again. So when I hit equals, it's just going to hit divided by the golden ratio again. That's the orbit of Venus, like accurate to because Venus orbits the sun in 225 days.
Yep.
And I do it again, and I get a hypothetical orbit of 139.516 days. This number lines up perfectly with the ascension date of Jesus, starting at the new sun in a calendar year. And it also lines up perfectly with the miracle of the sun at Fatima, Portugal in 1917.
Yes.
Right? Because the first day at Fatima, Portugal, when the Mother Mary appears to these 3 children, is May the 13th, 1917. So you take May the 13th minus the 139 days, you're at December 25th, Christmas Day. So why is that? Because Christmas is 3 days after winter solstice, right? Which is the change of the seasons and the marking of a new year. So why is that? Well, I'm going to do it again. So it lines up with Jesus' Ascension Day. It actually lines up with the Buddha's birthday, and it also lines up with the miracle of the sun at Fatima. Now, the actual miracle of the sun at Fatima is October 13th, which is 2 orbits of planet 139, which shouldn't be there because astronomers today, and this is going to be important when we get to 3i Atlas, astronomers today believe that 100,000 people on a hillside in Portugal in 1917 all hallucinated this what appeared to be an annular ring style eclipse of the sun